Hey, it's Glitchard, and this will be a quick video chart on CEMJQ, Chemtura Corporation. If you follow my videos, you know I've been doing this in quite a bit, but it's just such a nice trending stock that it's worth following. And now it's looking like it's finally doing what it's done in the past. If you watch some of my other videos, and that's why this one's going to be quick because just scroll back through other CEMJQ videos and you'll see what I'm talking about. But on the past videos, I pointed out how whenever it gets near this 20 period simple moving average, it seems to ride it up and then usually separate. So, for example, you can see here it was riding it and then it separated, bounced up. Here, riding it, separated, bounced up. Here it's been riding it for a while, and maybe, just maybe, we're finally starting to get our separation from it. So I'm going to try to catch this early and get it documented, and we'll see what happens. Am I saying this is for sure? No. But nice candle today, and to go along with that nice candle, check out the volume. Some nice volume that we haven't seen since green volume, that is. Haven't seen this sort of volume since back here in early to mid September. So looks like the bulls are waking up, maybe. Still some work to be done, but I want to get this noted. The key piece of work that I want to see done is simply just getting above this resistance level. If the price can get up there, close above it, then I think that it's only a matter of time before this next resistance level up here will be tested. I'm going to make this a little thicker since that's just a high that's, the highest it's seen since a long time ago. Um, so right now this high is at 102, and surprise, surprise, you can see right where we closed today, right at the resistance. Did break it intraday, but couldn't quite get above it. So hopefully tomorrow and going into the weekend, then we can have a close above there. And if you do get some closes above there, and I will say I'd like to see volume stay relatively strong. Might not need to be as big as that day, but something maybe like that sort size or that with a close above here, then I'm going to feel very confident that that level up there gets tested. The high right there is a buck 14. So we'll see what happens, but like I said, the main reason is it's looking like history may be repeating itself, where it's finally starting to pull away from the 20-day, which is this maroonish line here. And we'll see what happens. Maybe this is just going to be a head fake and it's going to come back down. I don't know. But it's showing some signs of life, so I wanted to get that quick documented. Also, real quick, looking at the weekly, it would make sense for a big move to come. You can see that for the past pretty much 2-3 weeks, whatever you want to call it, it's just been going sideways. So it's been getting consolidated. It's primed, it's ready. It would make sense from a charting perspective for another move up. So we'll see if that's the case. You can see that both the 20-week and 10-week are now clearly moving upwards, and even the 50-week here is actually starting to go flat. So that's a good sign to see. But on all accounts, it would make sense for a move to come. Will that happen? There's no guarantees, but from the world of technical analysis, it's looking like it could be the case. So we'll just finish with the daily chart. And once again, just want to point out that you can see just a very big history of it bouncing off its moving averages here. It wasn't the 20, it was a combination of the 20 and 50, big move. Here you can see once again it bounced off that 20. Here it actually broke through, and you can see what happened. It pulled back quite a bit there. But since that point and since this bounce, it's continually held its ground around that 20. So let's see if that continues in the future. And if you can get through this level here, then it's going to be another nice move, as you don't have too many resistance levels. But I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. We'll just take one day at a time. So if you do have any other questions on the chart, let me know. Also, I'd encourage you to check out bullmarketnewsletter.net if you have not yet already. When you sign up for the emailer, you will be sent a free ebook, which has been getting excellent reviews. And with your subscription, which is all free, no strings attached, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, all sorts of things from the big boards down to penny stocks. We've been making some good money, good percentages. So it's one of those things where you can learn and profit at the same time, and it doesn't cost you anything. So it's worth at least checking out. One more time, this was CEMJQ. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for listening.